what do we have going on here with the Skyliner? Doesn't sound like metal, does it? So hello, new video again. It wasn't the camera last video, it was the editing program that installed the camera. So just replacing this metal guard that's been on the car for a while. As you can see, it's been very wavy. I don't know why I'm feeling it, like you can feel it, but you can see the bend in that. It's not 100% horrible, but it's not the best. Even this one's got the dent there, so thought I would replace them, and finding metal ones is getting more and more expensive, so just been working on getting this in. At the moment, got two in. Just need to do this bottom part and we should be alright. I'll always muck around, open up some holes to give it a bit of manoeuvrability. I haven't even shut the bonnet yet, so we'll see. But yeah, try to do this before the weather comes. Quick, another little video for you guys. Yeah, it's not much. Possibly new headlight, or do I just cut it open, like cut it and then make a vented headlight? Try to. Me making things doesn't normally go too well, so we'll see. Practice, practice, practice. Only going to make this a quick video too, by the way, so yeah, peace.